guys, today is Monday, May 18th, 2020, and this week in social studies we are going to learn about Memorial Day. I know a lot of you probably already know about Memorial Day, but for those of us that may not be sure, we're going to find out what Memorial Day is and why we celebrate it. So let's go ahead and start by reading this question here. It says, what is Memorial Day and why do we celebrate it? So guys, when you go into your Google assignment for social studies, one of the things that's attached is this Google slide here. So when you open up and you're on this page here, you're simply going to click on the question, what is Memorial Day and why do we celebrate it? It's going to open up a video. It's about less than 2 minutes, a minute and a half maybe. So I want you to watch that, and I want you to be ready to answer for me what Memorial Day is and why do we celebrate it. Then we're going to come back together and we're going to talk about it, and then we'll move on to our next part in our lesson. See you in a bit.